toxicity. There's more to the story than your fucking bullshit. If this is it, and I quit. This is a forfeit, a fractured heart.